Changing the phone number associated with your Wise account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Visit the Wise website or open the Wise app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option. This is usually found in the profile menu or under your account information. Step 3. Select phone number. In the account settings, find the section labeled phone number or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any errors before proceeding. Step 5. Verify your new phone number. After updating, Wise will likely send a verification code to your new phone number. Enter this code in the Apple website to confirm the change. Now your phone number is updated on your Wise account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.